The dance of the planets. Imagine a cosmic ballet where planets pirouette around the sun, in a choreographed dance that has been unfolding for billions of years. Each celestial partner, from Mercury to Neptune, contributes to this celestial performance, executing moves dictated by the laws of gravity and orbital dynamics. The mysteries of black holes. Black holes, those cosmic vacuum cleaners, continue to baffle and astound astronomers with gravitational forces so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. These enigmatic entities challenge our understanding of space and time, yet their secrets may hold the key to unraveling the very fab.
The Symphony of Stars. If the universe has a soundtrack, it's the Symphony of Stars. Each twinkle in the night sky represents a luminary musician, emitting light and energy as they perform their cosmic melodies. From the majestic giants to the delicate pulsars, every star contributes a note to the grand composition of the
extraterrestrial quest. The search for extraterrestrial life fuels our imagination and scientific pursuits with the discovery of exoplanets in the habitable zones of distant stars. The possibility of finding alien neighbors becomes increasingly tantalizing. Are we alone in the vast cosmic ocean? Or is there life waiting to be discovered in the far reaches of space? Solar winds and cosmic storms. Solar winds, invisible streams of charged particles, and cosmic storms shape the dynamic nature of our solar system. These solar breaths influence everything, from the mesmerizing auroras on Earth to the sculpting of planetary atmospheres. Understanding these cosmic tempests unveils the intricate interplay between the Sun and its celestial companions. The hushed language of quasars. Quasars, the luminous cores of distant galaxies, speak to us in the language of light. Their intense brightness and energetic outbursts provide astronomers with a glimpse into the early stages of the universe. Like ancient messengers, quasars whisper tales of cosmic evolution and the formation of the cosmic web.